What's going on? In this video, we're going to be doing a case study of a roofing company and what you as a roofing company owner can do to help improve your website, to leave a good first impression and help improve sales. So let's dive right onto this website. One good thing that they did that stands out right off the bat, if maybe you can see, is they have here these two buttons, start my free quote. This is a very good incentive for people to reach out to you because as a customer, there's no real pressure on the customer to immediately buy something. As soon as you click start my free quote, all you do is you just fill out this form and then the company can provide you with the quote. So this is something that you as a business owner can do. Just provide a free quote to potential customers. Maybe they're looking for some work. Maybe their neighbor had their roof done, their cousin had their roof done, their uncle had their roof done. And so maybe they're thinking, my roof maybe needs some work. We've had a lot of damage. We've had a lot of rain, hailstorms, whatever the case may be. Maybe they're just considering it too. So a great way to think about this from the customer's perspective. Maybe they're not too sure whether they want the roof job or not, but by you just offering the free quote, at least now it's another step into them becoming a customer because you're giving them more information about how the process works, about how the cost is, and you're just giving that information to them simply. So one thing that I would recommend that you can see from this website is to offer free quotes to potential customers. And of course, have this easy to access. You don't want the free quote button to be somewhere hidden that nobody can see it. If you come here, you see in the menu, you want to add that link. Here in the home page, this is called the hero section, but just think of it as the very top of your website, add the link to the free quote. Another thing that this website is also doing that you can apply in your own website is they're showing the whole customer journey. If you notice here, it's broken up into 3 steps. The first step, start the free quote. From there, select colors and materials. Now you build the roof. So now you can see how you as a customer how it is working with this business. And now you already have an understanding of how this company, how their process is. So this could be something that you as a roofing professional to keep in mind is show your process. How do you help people? Step by step, like this is very helpful. People who have never even had their roof done before, they've never even had any work done on their roof. You showing your process is a great way to help ease the stress and make the process easier for them. Another good thing that this website is doing that you can also keep in mind is if you come down here, they have a company image. You come here, a video. So now you're showing a little bit of personality behind the business. In this case, the president of the company is Derek Janey. I'm guessing this is his company because it says janeyroofing.com, but you're showing a little bit of the personality behind the business. Who is the person that is running this business? Maybe even if this is not the person that's going to show up to the house, at least they know who the person is behind the business, especially because in your city or in your county, there's most likely a lot of people who do the same thing as you. So in order to make yourself stand out as different from them, you want to show some type of personality of who you are and how you can help them. So this is very good that you also as a roofing professional can do the same, whether it's a video or you have an image like this. Showing past work is also a great way. If you notice here, they have plenty of images, a whole gallery of images of past work in clear images. So this is very important that you want to also add here, adding as much images as you can of work to your website so that way people can know what it is that you provide as well as your services here. One last thing that I would recommend to you as a roofing professional, if you notice here, let's do a quick search for how many times just on the homepage this business mentions Orlando. Whatever city that you're trying to service, for the SEO of your website or how the chances of you appearing on Google, your search engine optimization, your goal is to, of course, appear on Google as much and as high as you can. So if you notice here, just on the homepage alone, let me do a search. The homepage, Orlando is mentioned 24 times. So whatever city that you're trying to target to get work from, put it on your website as much as you can. Of course, you don't want to just spam the word, but put it on your website. By adding this, Google can recognize that, okay, this website is, of course, located in Orlando. So let me show this website to people who are looking for this service in Orlando. A further step that this website is taking that you also as a roofing professional can do is if you click this, you will notice that they have a landing page just for Orlando roofing. This is also a great way to, again, get Google to recognize that this business is located in Orlando. And I think they have it for multiple locations. You see here, they have the same thing for Tampa. They have the same thing for 4 miles. So this is like a statewide company here. But whatever location that you are trying to target, create these landing pages. Put as much content as you can about the location and also the service that you're providing to increase your chances of showing up on Google. So in this case study, I just wanted to break down to roofing professionals some of the things that you can do to leave a good first impression, rank on Google, increase the amount of phone calls that came in. And I hope this video was helpful. If you're interested in making some of these changes, my information is down in the description. I'd love to be able to chat with you and see how I can help you out. But once again, I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any questions, if you have any things or questions that you want to discuss, please feel free to reach out to me.